Say hi to the camera, baby. Say hi. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is October month, horror month, fall month. Hey, he legit was trying to bite my brush. He went, dude, like leave my stuff alone. Oh my god, my worst fear is spiders. As I was looking through these scary, big-eyed, huge spiders, I was so scared. I'm like, ugh, ugh. I'm gonna just go for it. I'm gonna just go for it. Okay. Alright, okay. Well, almost a perfect square, square. So right now what I'm doing is outlining the spider. Somewhat decent. Not really. What the hell? Here is my nosy butt dog trying to smell my crap. This is an Ultra foundation in shade 7.5. Spider has some nice designs, so why not just draw some nice booty designs? Booty. So I have something. Ooh, you go lucky. You throw that toy. So we're gonna draw something like this. Okay. Alright, we're gonna match it up. Okay, we're gonna match it up over here. Alright, we got a nice booty going on. All the way down. What the heck do I even look like right now? Ooh, girl. You see, this is all improvising, right? So I got two eyes right here. And take a little bit of concealer and draw a little dot in the eyes. Tapping foundation right at the end of the butt. There we go. Put it right in here, right in there. Like 1, 2, 1. Go around here and color it in a little more. Because this spider don't look natural. Add some color to it. That looks better. Okay, someone coming to life. Okay. Color the other legs. These are like the fangs. So let me show you the spider I was trying to be. And when I look at my face, I don't look like a scary spider. I want it to look scary, but let's try to be scary anyways. even though this isn't how I wanted it to turn out, it is something. Oh my god, I totally look like Simba from the Lion King, or just some kind of lion. But yeah, my lips are dry, as you can tell. If you want to be a weird looking spider that no one can kind of tell what you are, then hey, this is the look for you. I really hope you enjoyed this improvising video. I mean, I really thought this would be easy, but it's still creepy, right? It could still be creepy. By the way, the things I used, since I didn't talk and I was really focused, and what was the point of focusing, because it doesn't look like I wanted it to look. Everything was Clinique eyeliner. Just took a little dot of concealer as my white eyeballs. Everything else was from the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow. Filled in the legs and stuff like that with the brown. I feel like this could definitely look a whole lot more realistic. Just can't put my finger on it on how to make it more realistic. I was excited when I drew the butt like that, but then I got to here, I'm like, yo, that head is OD large. How about the eyeballs? Like, those are eyeballs. What the heck is that? The fangs looking all crusty on my lips. Then all of a sudden, like, the legs looking like little sausages or worms trying to run away. Yeah, beautiful. Just beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment. Tell a friend to subscribe. Share this failed spider video with others. Let me know if you want me to recreate or do a Halloween tutorial down below. Maybe you wouldn't because of this Lion King spider on my face, but hey, I feel you, I get you. You guys are awesome. Check out the giveaway below. Again, subscribe, become a part of a Yaya fam. Hit that bell. You guys have a blessed day. Bye. Tutorial on the eye look. You scared of me, Lucky? Are you scared?